So in this video, I am going to create banner for LinkedIn using Canva. So Canva is a very great tool. With the help of Canva, we can create YouTube thumbnails, LinkedIn banners, social media banners, and we can also create presentations, invoices, Facebook post, Instagram post, everything. So Canva is very powerful tool. So with the help of Canva, I'm going to create LinkedIn banner. So with the help of Canva, I'm going to create LinkedIn banner. So first of all, select the template. So there are lots of templates, but not all templates are free of cost. So we have to be very clear while selecting any template inside the Canva. Otherwise, you have to pay price for that. So I think this template is very good. So going to choose this template for our LinkedIn banner. So just click here, and we have to edit according to our requirement. So just a step by step process. Just stay tuned with me. I'm going to edit step by step. It's a very easy method. So just follow my step and follow my process. You can also put the logos of your skill set like System.io, Aweber, Facebook ad, Google ads, and what are the skill set you have. You can also put logo inside the banner. I also use Wix because I have also a skill set of Wix. So I have also good knowledge of Wix. That's why I also use the logo of Wix inside the LinkedIn banner. That's it guys, and you can just simply save and download the banner from the Canva. It's very easy. You can, and this banner is ready for use. So you can use this banner inside your LinkedIn profile. So I hope you understand my video. So if you have any questions, any doubt, feel free to ask. I will definitely answer the questions. Thank you so much.